You write down revenue or what is revenue? Revenue.
Sir.
Generally, this is our third topic with respect to producer's equilibrium. Our basic objective is know the producer's equilibrium. Producer किस stage पे equilibrium पे आएगा, where he or she is getting maximum profit. तो हमने डिस्कस किया है पहले प्रोडक्शन। जब हमारे पास लैंड है, लेबर है, कैपिटल है, ऑर्गेनाइजर है, रॉ मटेरियल है, so when we use these resources, we produce a given quantity of a good, that is production. So what we produce from factors of production, after the use of factors of production, that is production. जो हमने तैयार किया, जो हमने माल तैयार किया, इस तैयार करने में हमें कुछ चीजें पे करनी पड़ी, लैंडलॉर्ड को, लेबर को, कैपिटल को, ऑर्गेनाइजर को, रॉ मटेरियल को, दैट इज कॉल्ड कॉस्ट। ये चीज बनाने में कितना हमारा पैसा लग गया, दैट इज कॉस्ट। व्हाट वी पे टू द लैंड, लेबर, कैपिटल, ऑर्गेनाइजर, रॉ मटेरियल, दैट इज कॉस्ट, दैट इज
कॉस्ट।
समझ आता है मैं क्या बताता हूँ?
यस सर।
जितना हमने प्रोड्यूस किया है आफ्टर यूजिंग लैंड, लेबर, कैपिटल, ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, रॉ मटेरियल, दैट इज प्रोडक्शन। वो पैदावार हो गई। हाँ, वो पैदावार हो गई। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, मैंने आई प्रोड्यूस 10 नोटबुक्स, इट इज प्रोडक्शन। इट इज फिजिकल गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज, फिजिकल गुड्स और सर्विस, इट इज प्रोडक्शन। ये 10 नोटबुक बनाने में मुझे कितना पैसा लग गया, दैट इज कॉस्ट, दैट इज कॉस्ट। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, 10 कॉपियां बनाने में मुझे 100 रुपया लग गया, इट इज कॉस्ट, इट इज कॉस्ट। अब जब मैंने ये 10 कॉपियां बेच दी, ये कॉपियां मैंने बेच दी और मैंने रिसीव किया कुछ, वो कस्टमर्स को, कंज्यूमर्स को मैंने बेच दिए। सो फ्रॉम कस्टमर्स आई रिसीव्ड फॉर एग्जांपल 120 रुपीज, इट इज रेवेन्यू। जब एक दुकानदार या एक प्रोड्यूसर बनाने वाला अपना माल बेच देता है, तब उसने कितना रिसीव किया है वहां से, दैट इज रेवेन्यू, दैट इज रेवेन्यू। एक होता है उसने कितना बनाया इन फिजिकल फॉर्म, उस पे कितना कॉस्ट आ गया, ये बनाने में कितनी लागत आ गई, दैट इज कॉस्ट। फिर जब उसने बेच दिया वो कस्टमर को, तो उसने रिसीव कितना किया, दैट इज रेवेन्यू, that is revenue. So revenue, we can say it is income of the seller or producer, income of seller or producer. So what is revenue? Revenue is the income of the seller or producer and expenditure of the consumer. It is expenditure of the consumer. It is expenditure of the consumer on goods or services. On goods or services. जब एक कंज्यूमर ने गुड्स और सर्विसेज बाई की, परचेज की, तो उसने कितना पैसा सेलर को दे दिया, प्रोड्यूसर को दे दिया, दैट इज रेवेन्यू। So it becomes revenue of the seller. So total revenue or average revenue and marginal revenue, these are different components of revenue. These are different concepts of revenue. So एक इकोनॉमिस्ट है डोली, डोली बताता है what is this If anybody, common man will tell you what is revenue. So revenue is generally the income of the seller or producer and expenditure of the buyer or consumer. So Dowley कहता है revenue of a firm is it a sale receipts. Revenue is the sale receipts of a firm. Sale receipts. Sale receipts or money receipts. Money receipts. कितना एक firm ने of a firm. Of a firm from sale of a product. From sale of a product. मैंने ये पेन बनाया, ठीक है, ये पेन मैंने बनाया, दिस इज प्रोडक्शन. इस पे कितना कॉस्ट आ गया, दैट इज कॉस्ट, लागत कितनी आ गई, ये पेन बनाने में मैंने कितना रेंट पे किया, वेजेस पे की, इंटरेस्ट एंड दिस रॉ मटेरियल कितना खर्च किया, दैट इज कॉस्ट. जब मैंने इसको बेच दिया, आपने ये खरीदा, मुझे 20 रुपया दे दिया, इट इज माई रेवेन्यू. So revenue is my income which I received from the sale of this product. So what is revenue? Revenue is the sale receipts or money receipts of a firm from the sale of a product. It is also called sale proceeds. Yes, it is also called sale proceeds. Sale proceeds. P-R-O-C-E-E-D-S. Yes. Sale proceeds. Sale proceeds. एक चीज कंफ्यूजन होता है उमूमी तौर, जनरली ये कंफ्यूजन होता है हर एक स्टूडेंट में या हर एक रेवेन्यू पढ़ने वाले को. तो प्रॉफिट एंड रेवेन्यू, व्हाट इज डिफरेंस बिटवीन प्रॉफिट एंड रेवेन्यू? Revenue is different from profit.
Yes, sir. Profit.
Revenue is different from profit.
Profit.
हाँ, ये profit से different है. The concept of revenue is different from the concept of profit. As we know, profit is equal to revenue minus cost. Revenue minus cost. That is profit. Yes, that is cost. That is profit. Profit is revenue minus cost. Or we can say revenue बराबर होता है cost plus profit. Cost plus profit. अगर मैंने for example एक प्रोडक्ट बनाया तो कॉस्ट मुझे आ गया इसका 100 रुपया, मैंने 100 रुपये में बनाया, this is cost. Yes. And I sold it for rupees 120. It is revenue. ये 120 is not my profit. Profit बनता है मेरा revenue minus cost. Revenue क्या है? 120 minus cost क्या है? 100. तो profit बन गया 20 rupees. So 20 is my profit. Only 20 is 120 is not my profit, but only 20 is my profit.
Profit.
Yes. So this is difference between profit and revenue. Profit and revenue. So this equation differentiates profit and revenue. Profit is revenue minus cost. When we deduct cost from the revenue, we get profit. Or revenue itself is equal to cost plus profit. Plus profit.
Yes, sir.
So this is the meaning of revenue. What is revenue? Revenue is the income of the seller or producer from the sale of goods and services, or it is the expenditure of the consumer or buyer on his or her purchase of goods and services. Dowley ने beautifully ये explain किया. It is sale receipts or money receipts of a firm from the sale of a product. So we can say it is also called sale proceeds. It is also called sale proceeds. So Dowley कहता है it is also called sale proceeds. How revenue is different from profit? Profit is difference between revenue and cost.
Cost.
Revenue and cost. Okay. So this is all about the meaning of
Revenue.
revenue. Now we have three components of revenue which we must understand. That is total revenue, average revenue, and marginal revenue. You write down the question. Explain total revenue, average revenue, and marginal revenue. ठीक है? Marginal revenue.
Yes, sir.
Total revenue, average revenue, and marginal revenue.
Marginal.
REVNUE. REVENUE. Revenue. First of all, you write down total revenue of underline कर TR, जिसको हम TR कहते हैं, total revenue. What is total revenue? Total revenue is total income received by a seller from the sale of goods produced. It is total income of a seller or producer. यहां हम एक ही सेलर या एक ही प्रोड्यूसर की बात करते हैं या एक ही फर्म की बात करते हैं, बिकॉज दिस इज माइक्रो इकोनॉमिक्स. टोटल इनकम ऑफ ए सेलर और प्रोड्यूसर फ्रॉम द सेल ऑफ given quantity of a good. Given quantity of a good or service. Yes. Okay. It is total income or total receipts or total money receipts of a seller or producer or a firm from the sale of a given quantity of a good. Total revenue is total quantity sold or quantity sold. Total quantity sold multiplied by price. Yes. Multiplied by price per unit. Multiplied by price per unit. That is total revenue as a multiplication of quantity sold and price. That is total revenue आसान बराबर P multiplied by Q. P multiplied by Q. P is total revenue, P is price, Q is quantity. समझ आ गया? It is total multiplied by Q. P multiplied by price per unit. समझ नहीं आता है. Total revenue is total quantity sold multiplied by price per unit. Price per unit. Yes. ये होता है इस तरह. अगर हम 10 notebooks is equal to 10 notebooks. So this is quantity. This is quantity is 10. Quantity sold is 10 and price of the product is, for example, price of per notebook is 20 rupees. So total revenue is, this is price, this is quantity, P multiplied by Q. P क्या है? P कितना है? 20. Q कितना है? 10. Total revenue बन गया 200. Total revenue is 200. अगर मैंने 10 कॉपियां भेजी at the rate of 20 rupees per notebook, so मेरा total revenue बन गया 200 रुपये. मी total आमदनी आई 1000 रुपये. So this is total revenue. This is total revenue. So it is total expenditure. It is also total expenditure made by a consumer. It is also total expenditure made by consumer, made by consumer from purchase of given quantity of a good. From given quantity of a good. On one side, it is income of seller, and on the other side, it is expenditure of the buyer. So I can agar ye income ch seller sund, be can ye expenditure buyer sund.
Yes.
Agar A chu yes seller, B chu buyer, buyer. Yuta name agar name hasrati kharch kor ye banya nim suz amdani. So that is why we call sometimes one man is income is another man is expenditure. Samajh aava? One man is income is another man is expenditure. Ek suz amdani go big sun kharch. Agar ba rupees 10,000 zen ye gas ba zanun ye ch me dun bikes temis ch ye kharch karo. I buy goods from another person for this 10,000 rupees which I earned. I earned 10,000 rupees. I have to expand it. I have to spend it. And that becomes income of another person. Known expenditure bana big soon income. Okay?
Yes, sir.
So we can say, if we look upon this equation, agar hum is equation ki taraf dekhte hain, total revenue is P multiplied by Q. So total revenue should दोनों चीजें पे depend करा. Cousin Pat.
P.
Prices पे तो quantity पे. ठीक है ना?
अच्छा.
अगर जन quantity sold श, for example, quantity sold दुकानदार ने quantity sold has 10 units. Kota che?
10 units.
Price is 20 rupees. Kota? 20. Total revenue kota banatel P multiplied by Q. Total revenue banatel price shows 20. Quantity
into 10.
10. Total revenue kota banaya 200.
200.
Yeah. Total revenue still दोनों चीजें पे depend करा. आखिर prices पे बे quantity पे. अगर निम्न दोनों मस का change आए ना तो ना total revenue उसमें से change. अगर इनमें change आ गई. For example, अगर price में change आ गई, price decreased from 12 to 20 to 15, quantity rose same, total revenue को तो बना दोड़ा 150. So if price falls, total revenue falls.
Yes, sir.
और किस पे ये डिपेंड करता है? क्वांटिटी पे और क्वांटिटी पे. अगर प्राइस सेम ही रह गया 20 इंटू ये 10 से घटकर 5 हो गया, क्वांटिटी 10 से घटकर 5 हो गया, सो टोटल रेवेन्यू कितना बन गया? 100.
Yes, sir.
Here total revenue changes due to change in price. Here total revenue changes due to change in quantity. लेकिन एक चीज आप याद रखना, जो प्राइस होता है that do not change in the market. हम ये मान के चलते हैं कि प्राइस remains same for a seller because we are discussing microeconomics. Microeconomics में एक दुकानदार के लिए प्राइस चेंज नहीं होता है. It is decided by market forces. So price never changes in the perfect market. Price change नहीं होता है. अगर ये change होता है, हर एक के लिए change होता है. ये एक के लिए change नहीं होगा. तो here we discuss the revenue of one firm or one seller or one producer. So price remains same. So price will never change. We assume that price will never change.
Change.
Only if changes, that is quantity. A person can sold more and more or less and less depending upon his or her competitive power. उसका competitive power कितना है, कितना power है market में, market gain करने में. So we can say the total revenue depends upon quantity sold. Only quantity sold. Price पे depend नहीं करता है. Price पे depend नहीं करता है. लिखिए आप, the total revenue depends upon the level of output sold or quantity sold. Level of output
Yes.
sold.
Sold or sold.
That is, total revenue is function of Q. Total revenue is function of
Q.
Q. Yes. There is positive or direct relationship between total revenue and quantity sold. Quantity sold और टोटल रेवेन्यू के दरमियान डायरेक्ट रिलेशन है. अगर ज्यादा आप सेल करोगे, ज्यादा रेवेन्यू कमाओगे. You will earn more and more. If you sell less, you will earn less. That is, when quantity sold increases, and quantity sold by a firm increases,
Yes, sir.
the total revenue also increase. And when quantity sold decreases, the total revenue also decrease. ठीक है? The total revenue also decrease. So this is all about total revenue. It is total income of the seller or
Yes, sir.
total expenditure of a buyer from the sale and purchase of a given quantity of output. It is multiplication of price and quantity. Multiplication of price and quantity. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So total revenue is total money receipts of a producer from the sale of given quantity of a good. यदि हम ऐसी भी इक्वेशन बनाते हैं, sometimes total revenue is equal to AR into Q. AR into Q. This is average revenue into Q. Average revenue is always equal to price. Average revenue is always equal to price. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. ये भी एक डेफिनेशन बनती है. It is sum of marginal revenue. It is sum of marginal revenue. नीचे आपको नजर आता है? हाँ, ये है. It is sum of marginal revenue. नीचे मैंने लिख लिया. That is, total revenue is summation of MR. Total revenue is sum of marginal revenue. Summation of MR. Okay?
Yes, sir.
अब रह गया हमारा एवरेज रेवेन्यू एंड मार्जिनल रेवेन्यू.
Yes, sir.
मुझे लग रहा है ये हम कल पढ़ेंगे. आज तो
Yes.
क्लास का भी टाइम कम रह गया है. ओके.
Yes, sir.
कोई क्वेश्चन?
नो सर।
और इतना ही, कल मैं आपको एवरेज रेवेन्यू एंड मार्जिनल रेवेन्यू पढ़ाऊंगा, ठीक है?
यस सर। यस।
थैंक यू वेरी मच।
ओके।
मैं दोनों तो